Okay, so hi Doreen.
Hi, Sonia.
Welcome, welcome to Eduhubspot's channel. Out here, we are very happy to have you see PMP certified, and obviously look forward to hearing some great words of experience, and also some words of tips and tricks which you can go ahead and share with the mentees. That would be of awesome help. And also, up and over that, we definitely commend the awesome performance that you have actually gone through in the PMP exam. Yeah, you have definitely gone ahead and aced it, given the fact that you had a lot of fears, lot of obstacles to overcome. How you step by step went ahead and conquered all of these, and eventually at the end of the day, the colors. That's what we would like to hear from you. Yeah. So please, the stage is over to you.
Thank you, Sumia. I'm so excited to be here. I feel honored to finally be an PMP, and I really appreciate the support that I got from Eduhubspot. I think my journey began maybe way in 2018, where I started just. I got the mentor package, the mentor
Yep.
package first of all. Then I read, I prepared very well, but
Mm-hmm.
I developed cold feet when it came to cost management and schedule management.
Uh-huh.
And then I got busy. So I procrastinated and I decided, you know what, I can't do this exam. Let me just postpone it.
Right.
Then that said, I think I also gave it a shot again in 2020, but things just
Mm-hmm.
happened, work happened, yeah. And of course, I decided, you know what, I'll postpone again.
Yep.
And then came 2021, I decided, you know what, it's time to get this done and dusted.
Yep.
So I got in touch with Varun again, and I'm sure Varun must have been surprised. Oh, where did she come from again?
Right.
Yeah. So we got WhatsApping for
Mm-hmm.
the longest time. I had many questions. And then I told him, I think I'm actually ready for this class. And
Yep.
he told me he's going to refer me to mentor Sumia. I was like, no, why
Yeah.
not yourself? I was wondering, oh, what happened? What changed?
Yeah.
Then he explained to me and he assured me that Sumia is going to be there for you and he's going to take you through and he's going to give you the attention that you need with regard to the support to get your PMP certification. So that
Absolutely.
was like a week to the
Yep.
the bootcamp beginning. So I quickly just paid up and
Mm-hmm.
then began the bootcamp with you. And
Mm-hmm.
actually, for the bootcamp, I think we had a one-on-one meeting where you gauged my needs, you gauged my weaknesses, and you
Yep.
actually established that I think I'm a good procrastinator, which I shouldn't have been. And then
Right.
also, I think I was just allergic to figures and mathematics. So, but
Yes.
the one-on-one really helped. Then you came up with this schedule
Mm-hmm.
and I told myself I have to ace it. So within 3 months, I was ready for the exam. It's just that
Yep.
the test was not available, but the experience was great with
Mm-hmm.
Eduhubspot. Yeah,
Yep.
so there was a lot of sacrifice.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't have weekends. I didn't basically have weekends with my friends. So all the time I was
Mm-hmm.
studying or maybe attending the boot camp, which was worth every moment. And then I would also have the check-in meetings with you. Your support was immense, yeah. And I registered for the exam and showed up for the exam. I was a bit anxious, but you kept on encouraging me that everything would be okay. So far so
Correct.
good. I'm happy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Highly commend the words that you gave to all the mentees who are present out here. And highly commend the way in which you have, actually taken it forward. One of the key aspects about you, which I noticed during the entire journey, was yeah, definitely you procrastinated, but then you were never shy of giving it the best shot. So you directly went ahead and asked me or told me that Somi, I'm not feeling confident or I'm fearful about maths. Maths was one of the sectors which you were very fearful
Yeah.
about. But then
Yeah.
we jointly, made sure that we are available at some point of time, and going through those, going out and helping you in those aspects by some sample calculations or sample
Yeah.
schematics, which I went ahead and took you forward, and that along with the lessons that we went through during the live bootcamp days. So all those seamlessly gelled in getting your preparation the obviously the optimum shape. And that's what we are looking forward to. It also happened that you were perfectly ready the last month itself. Yeah, 1 month before the
Yes.
exam, which is when I
Yes.
thought that Doreen, you have scheduled the exam. Let's get it done. But it's only for Doreen who is actually going ahead and thinking that no, I'll have to go ahead and give my best. I won't settle anything less than the best. And
Yeah.
again, the onus was on her to go ahead and again go ahead and kind of refine her thought processes, strategies, and also obviously go ahead and revise the best way possible and take the mock test. Come out with the relevant scores, get back to me, and then I also going ahead and guiding her. As the stage goes or went as such for her. So having said that, she was very nervous at the outset, even before acing the exam. Yeah, so she was going ahead and saying that, so I need some kind of motivation. So again, the motivation songs and all, which definitely helped her. But then up and over that, on the exam day, she was utterly nervous. Why not you go ahead and share your experience with the mentees about how it went during the exam. Not only the experience during the your commute, but also during your exam, as well as how you ace the questions. What were the questions like?
Oh, first of all, I need to just begin from it was fascinating that according to my mentor, Sumia, I was
Hmm.
ready for the exam early July. So personally, I was like, am I really ready? Of course, with work demands, so I wasn't. I felt like I'm not ready, but it was amazing how you felt I was ready. So that passed, and then I was ready for the exam by August.
Yep.
Early August, I was done. So I tried booking the exam at the exam center. I didn't want to rely on my internet at home,
Hmm.
but I didn't get a chance to sit the exam on the 9th. Yeah, but by the time I was ready for the exam, I had my formula set. I understood everything with regard to cost, everything with regard to schedule management. I will literally teach anyone
Yep.
who has
Yep.
has issues with that. Yeah. So I developed that confidence, and then when I got my exam booked and I got the email confirmation that indeed I'm going to sit for the exam, then
Hmm.
it dawned on me that there is no shortcut about it. So I really prayed and I hoped for good health because
Yep.
I was going to be in for that 4 hour exam.
Hmm.
So the day for the exam came, I prepared my snack, packed everything. Yeah, I was there ready on time. The exam center, they were really friendly.
Right.
Yeah, so I started sitting the exam. So during the exam, I think the minutes move so fast. It's the shortest four
Yeah.
hours that
Right.
existed.
Yep.
Yeah, but the questions were really nice. And from a personal perspective, I think those questions were 95% agile.
Yep.
Yeah,
Hmm.
predictive was very few questions were on predictive. I would give a 95% agile,
Right.
and time just flew. Yeah, so there was an anxious moment when I was waiting for
So,
my
so, so how
result.
about the maths questions though? Did they at all appear? What were those, or which sections or which chapters were those from?
I didn't get to calculate the questions,
Okay.
but I needed to understand what SPI. They would provide the SPI, and they'll be like,
Okay.
what's the status of this project?" Something like that. Yeah, but
Understand. Yep.
I didn't need to calculate.
Yep.
I just needed to understand the concept,
Right.
and it's something that I was ready for calculations, but I just
Right.
needed to understand the concept. So
Right.
for the PMP qualification, it's more of understanding the concept and rather than just cramming things. Yeah,
Yes.
and that really helped me a big deal. Yeah, yeah. So
Absolutely. So, you have made one very, very important point out here that, it's all about understanding, getting in line with the PMI way of thinking, which actually matters. And I remember, and I also reiterate this point as well. At the outset, you were telling me or asking me, Soumya, how to go ahead and calculate all those. Will I get any calculator or, some of the other stuffs to go ahead and
ah,
calculate?
yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
so then at that point of time, we went ahead and drew back or went back to the drawing board and said that you don't need to touch pen on paper as far as the maths and the PMP exams are concerned. They are only going to test your understanding. So if you understand the right concept, you will definitely ace it. Just in your case, you just applied that and you got to the better side of things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Awesome. So, after giving the exam, after you had shared, obviously it filled me with happiness. So, how was the experience at your end? And I also remember you sharing the image of the cake that, I presume PMI Kenya chapter had gone and shared with you. Or was it
No,
in your
actually,
office?
no, I was. It's my family who got the cake for me.
Awesome. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So my kids, we had taken so long without eating cake. So I just told them if I
Okay.
pass, I was actually anxious. I wasn't very sure if I'm gonna pass or if I'm not going to pass. But the mocks were really helpful.
Awesome.
Yeah, the mocks were really helpful. Yeah, so I did lots of questions, lots of mocks, lots of revisions. I would go through
Right.
any question that I didn't get right. I would
Right.
revise and to
Yes.
understand the concept better.
Very
Yeah,
good.
so it
Mhm.
was such a I mean, I can't even describe the feeling. It was the most
Yeah,
fulfilling.
and very, very specifically, it was a
Ever.
dream come true for you, right? So that's
Yes,
what we were looking
yes,
forward to. It's just
yes,
very happy
yes,
from Eduhubspot that we actually were, beside you all throughout the while to make sure that, your dream came true. That's what fills us with immense happiness as well.
yeah.
Just, before we are done with the discussion, any other tips, tricks, and techniques which you would like to share, with our mentees who are aspiring to go ahead and get done with PMP?
I think I would openly say that if they would plug into Eduhubspot, they'll get the support they need. And when you get that support, is just follow it to the latter. Because I remember
Hmm.
you would tell me after each topic, for example, we would have a catch-up meeting. After each
Hmm.
topic, are you having any challenges? And do not shy away on any challenges. I mean, just say it as it is, and you're able to concentrate. So you will find that some topics are manageable, some topics are a bit tricky to understand. But whenever we would have those calls, I mean, that will just be an easy topic. Yeah. So I think the focus is key, following what your mentor says. So in this case, for me, I would follow what Sumia says. And then another thing that I really appreciated was just getting to Sumia on WhatsApp any moment. So sometimes because of the time difference, I will send you a message, you will reply in the morning, or I mean, the time difference was never an issue. So
Yep.
I think you are really supportive by encouraging me to just send you the question when it comes to my mind, and
Right,
that's what I am.
absolutely. The time also
Yeah.
clicked a lot of way. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yeah. So it was I would send my messages maybe at midnight, and then in the morning I wake up with my answers. So
Yeah.
it was so seamless. Yeah. So just ask questions, do not shy away. And then also participate in the you remember the question and answer sessions?
Yes. The
Yeah,
Q&A
that
sessions which I hold normally on the Thursdays.
yes,
Yeah, and also
yes,
one of our other mentors, holds on the other facets on Saturdays. So we do have weekly
exactly.
Q&A calls, to help not
Exactly.
only Doreen but
Exactly.
also obviously, all other mentees who attend our boot camp. Yeah.
Yes, yes, that I really loved those sessions. I learned the art of elimination, how to
Yep.
just choose the right answer from the four. Initially, you will not understand how that happens, but after attending those, by the time I attended the third session, I was good to go with any question. I would eliminate very clearly. Yeah, so just following up what all the calendar bookings, accepting them, plugging in into those sessions, and never losing hope, because you need to like commit, whether you have a full-time job, you still have to sacrifice, give a minimum of maybe 2 3 hours per day, create time for your qualification, create time for that certification, and you're gonna just ace it. It's actually doable.
Awesome, awesome, Doreen. So, that were definitely some great words of wisdom. I genuinely hope that everyone who will be watching this video will be immensely getting benefited from all your words of advice. Yeah, for
Yeah.
those who are looking forward to ace their dreams, given their obstacles, whatever, they have faced, you stand as a burning inspiration for them. For those, who are looking forward to get done with PMP in the simplest yet logical and obviously, the most methodical manner possible, you also go ahead and stand example for them. Thanks a lot, Doreen, for your time. You have
Thank
given us
you.
the time whatsoever, so that's awesome for it was, and we definitely look forward to helping you, and obviously your acquaintances for any other kinds of help with regards to any of the PMI certifications in near future. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Sumia. Please pass my appreciation to Varun and the rest of the
Absolutely.
Edu Hub team. Yeah.
Absolutely, we'll definitely go ahead and pass it. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.